Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to import Microsoft Excel files to ChatGPT and inside ChatGPT use that data source to make analysis with that data. So as you can see here, we're going to use this Chat With Gsheet ChatGPT plugin to be able to import Excel files to ChatGPT. However, we have to make first a workaround because as you can read here, this plugin can be used for conversational analysis over Google Sheets data. So we cannot use Excel directly. We have to first get our Excel data, which is this one, and we can either save this data and then save this as an Excel file or as a CSV file and upload to Google Spreadsheet. But in this example, I'm going to use an even easier solution, which is copy pasting the data set. Then going to Google Spreadsheet, using Ctrl+V, I have pasted the dataset. But as I mentioned, you can click on File, Import, select Upload tab, and upload the Excel file from your computer. And now what we have to do is make sure that the Google Spreadsheet can be accessed by a simple URL, and we can make sure to do that by selecting not restricted here, which is the default access level, but anyone with the link can access this. The role is not important, so you can leave it on viewer and click on done and copy the link of this Google Spreadsheet with the original Excel file data. And this is the prompt we're gonna use. So import this table from this spreadsheet and tell me which financial product has the highest profit margin. And then I added the URL we just copied from the Google Spreadsheet. Then make sure that GPT-4 is selected. So select GPT-4 here, then plugins. If you don't know how to install the Chat With Gsheet plugin, I have a separate tutorial where I only talk about this Chat With Gsheet plugin. And by the way, I also have a full tutorial on the Chat With Gsheet plugin on my website where I talk about some of the use cases, and I also share some of the best prompts you can use this plugin with. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. But now let's see what the plugin will come up with. So if the plugin is activated, as you can see in this case, all we have to do is click on send message. Right, so as you can see, we don't have to use any kind of fancy language, we just used natural language, and ChatGPT was clever enough to know that it has to use the Chat With Gsheet ChatGPT plugin. So this is the request we have sent to the Chat With Gsheet plugin, which is basically the URL of the Google Sheets. And then the Chat With Gsheet plugin has sent back our table, and based on that table, the plugin made the analysis we have asked for. So as you can see, to find the financial product with the highest profit margin, we'll sort the data frame by profit margin column in descending order and then select the first row. So this is what it has done, and based on that we get the financial product with the highest profit margin is business valuation with a profit margin of 70.27%. So let's check if this is really true. So I just zoomed on the table so we can see it more clearly, and let's select by highest profit margin, and we can see that it is indeed the business valuation product with a profit margin of more than 70%, and this is the highest among all financial products in this test data set. So all in all, this is how you can use ChatGPT to import Excel files to ChatGPT and then use the power of this Chat With Gsheet plugin to do basic analysis using this Excel file and get some analysis based on your own needs. If you want to learn more about other ChatGPT plugins, I have a ton of ChatGPT plugin tutorials, not just on data analysis, but you can use this ChatGPT plugins not just for data analysis, but for finance, cryptocurrency trading, scientific research, and more. Make sure to check out my YouTube channel. More videos are coming up, so make sure to subscribe. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions, and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.